My name is Bryan Hernandez and this is my bike check. I ride the Colt V2 frame, death row, Colt seat and seat post, full link KMC chain. I don't ride half links. Primo Simmons sprocket, stock, premium cranks, Odyssey PC pedals, Sunday octave forks, Chad Curley signature premium stem, Colt leader bars, 9 rise, Odyssey Tom Dugan grips. Both are the Odyssey tires. The front rim is the Animal Java hub with Primo spokes laced to the G Sport birdcage. The back one is Animal Java hub with Primo spokes laced to G Sport birdcage again. And I ride Animals pegs on the right side because they're a little bit longer and help me get on easier on my opposite. And on the left side I ride Shadows because they're shorter and it's just easier. I don't know, but that's my bike check.